I'm going to be unboxing 3 different beauty subscription boxes for you guys. I'm going to be doing February and March Glossybox because I forgot to do February, and I'm also doing the March BoxyCharm, and I have everything over here ready to be opened. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the little notification bell next to the subscribe button, and let's get into it. If you guys want to find out what is in all these beauty boxes that I have here, then just keep watching. I'm going to do Glossybox February, and if you guys have never seen Glossybox boxes before, they have a mix of full size as well as like deluxe sizes in their boxes. They are cheaper than BoxyCharm. And I always have like a code to sign up if you guys are interested. It is a discount code. Their box says glossy timeless treats, and I always give Glossybox like the most points because they always have such gorgeous presentation. I say it every time I open up their boxes, but they really do. Look how stinking cute. They put this little magazine cover brochure inside, which I think is so pretty. That in a little bit. I like to kind of be surprised first, so I'm just gonna reach my hand in and pull stuff out as we go. So this first item is Vita Liberata, which I've been wanting to try this brand. This is their fabulous self-tanning gradual lotion with marula oil. I've been constantly seeing this brand at the discount stores, so I've never tried anything from them before. I've been wanting to self-tan over these past couple of weeks. Just a lotion, like I think of the Jergens one. It's probably similar to that. I used to use those all the time in high school. Those were like the thing. So I'm wondering how this one's gonna be because I know Vita Liberata is more of like a luxurious brand. So we'll definitely be testing this out. Hopefully I don't come out orange. Okay, next up. These are, oh my goodness, Rodial, hopefully I'm saying that right, Dragon's Blood eye masks. These are depuffing biocellulose eye masks. It's really interesting. So I've never used anything with dragon's blood, but like, what does that mean? I'm not really sure. I'm sure it's not actually blood from a dragon, but it says it comforts and restores the hydration of the skin. Amica reduces under eye puffiness, and hyaluronic acid provides long-lasting hydration. I love popping these on in the morning. I wake up like really puffy usually in the mornings. These on, and I just love them. They're like so nice and cooling, and they really do help depuff the under eyes. I've never tried this brand before, but should be fun. 2 products of the same brand. This is Natura Ecos shampoo and conditioner Muru. I don't know. Oh, Muru butter penetrates the hair shaft and aligns the cuticles, helps local Brazilian communities preserve thousands of palm trees. That is so cool. 93% natural origin. Heard of this brand, but that's why I love these boxes, because I get introduced to brands that I have never seen before. So it says it forms a creamy, abundant foam that gently removes impurities, prepping hair strands to receive their soaring treatment. Enriched with Muru butter. Okay, this is so cool. Let's open this up and just take a look-see. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at these little bottles. I definitely will try these on my next shower. These are also perfect for travel. So this is a brand I'm really curious to try. Okay, next up, oh, we have a nail polish. This is NCLA, and it is just a 7 free luxury nail lacquer in black. I have not like bought a black nail polish in, I can't even tell you guys the last time. It's probably been like 15 years. So this is nice. I mean, you could always use a black, right? Next, we have Verso Nourishing Cream with niacinamide, which to me is an instant no. I cannot use that ingredient. It breaks me out so bad. So I'm going to put this into my giveaway pile. I think this is our last item. Yeah, I think it's our last item. This is Cab Cosmetics. This is the brand by, it's the Berman sisters and Kim Zolciak from Real Housewives. This is the cream lipstick. I actually had their lip oil from a previous box, and I used up the whole thing. I really liked it. So let's see. This is in Sweetheart. Oh my gosh, this is a really pretty like coral shade. That's really nice. I'm curious to try this and see how their formula is. Pretty cool. I think that box was a really nice mix. So let's see. It says Beauty is always in vogue. We've created a timeless trees edition this month that will have you feeling effortlessly chic. So the Muru Muru by Natura are deluxe minis, and that set is $4.70. The NUZZOLO Beauty nail polish is $16. The Verso skincare cream, the deluxe size, is $27. Oh my gosh, the full size is $90. Wow. The Cab Beauty lipstick is full size, and that is $18. And the Vita Liberata self tanning gradual lotion deluxe size that we got is $5. The full size is $20. The total retail value for everything was $70.07, which is a pretty good value considering the box, I believe, is about $15 on their website. So I thought we got really good stuff in that box. Like, it was like some really nice classic items, just like the name said. So always a fan of the brands and Glossybox that I get introduced to that are like new and fun to try out. Move on to this month's Glossybox for March, and this is the traditional pink box, the little pamphlet mailer, so cute. Okay, so we're gonna just reach in here one at a time. We have a brush. Oh my gosh, it's a Luxie brush. I feel like Luxie is like the brush brand of beauty boxes, and I haven't got one of their brushes. I think it's been like a year. So this is the classic large angled. I think I have a couple of these. This is like their go-to brush, but I love the Luxie brushes. They're really beautiful quality, very soft. Oh my gosh, like literally like a teddy bear. And I use angled brushes all the time. I use them not only for contouring, but I also use them to get an angled application for my blush. So this is amazing. I never can turn down a Luxie brush. Okay, next up we have a brand I have not heard of called Estate. It says Just a Taste. It's paraben free mini pigment palette. Okay, let's open this guy up. Eyeshadow palette. I don't know, I wasn't expecting an eyeshadow palette. I think I was, I don't know, maybe expecting a concealer palette. The shade is called Peach Punch. I don't really know too much about this brand, but I think the colors look really cute. So yeah, that's fun. We will learn a little bit more about that. Next product, we have Model Co. Highlighting Shimmer Whip in Champagne, another brand that is new to me. It says it's a secret weapon for highlighting and adding luster to your skin. It's a lightweight liquid luminizer. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Little mini bottle. A bit like the iconic London, or do you guys know which one I'm talking about? Okay, I mean, this would be really pretty on like a medium skin tone. Really beautiful. I love liquid highlighters. Okay, next, this is heavy, whatever it is Farm X. Oh wait, Farm X. Okay, this is, I knew it sounded familiar. This is from Avon. I have tried a couple of their products. Like, they had sent me samples directly from Avon. This is the Super Greens Cooling Gel. It's vegan, cruelty-free, 85% natural, clean, safe, ethical. So this is pretty cool. It says it contains broccoli and Brussels sprouts, super greens, rich in antioxidants, vitamin A, B, C. A blend of green tea and moringa oil helps protect the skin's moisture barrier, and it is hydrating to work as a moisturizer or a mask. Okay. This is really cool. It's also like very big. My goodness, they gave a really nice size. Just looking at the ingredients: rosemary leaf oil, turmeric eggplant. It looks very gentle. It has lavender flower extract, sage extract. Okay, I would definitely use this. I like something like this for the summer because it is cooling. I feel like it will be really refreshing on the skin. I think, is this our last product? I think it is. Merci, ooh, Merci Handy. Look how cute this little bottle is. Unicorn hand cream. We roamed the sky looking for the softest clouds and added a drop of sweet almond oil and a dash of shea butter, bottled it all up, and ended up with this whipped hand cream. Vegan, 95% natural origin. Okay, cool. Let's see what this smells like. Oop, I'm making a mess here. Oh my gosh, it has glitter in it. What? Okay, this is so extra. There's literally, I don't think you're gonna be able to see it, but there is actual huge chunks of glitter on my hands. Like, what on earth? Okay, I think this is really cute. Like, I love glitter, but I just don't, like, seeing it rubs off. I don't think having big chunky glitter in my hand cream is like really something that works because I feel like it just is so weird. However, I feel like this is something that I would have had when I was younger, and I absolutely would have loved this. I mean, the glitter color is really beautiful, but I don't know, on my hands it just feels kind of weird because, like, what if I'm like eating something and I have this on my hands and then it's like they're just full of glitter. And it doesn't say that it has glitter in it. It's a delicious rainbow scent. I don't really like the scent of it. I mean, it smells like a grandma, so it's kind of weird. I feel like the product doesn't really match the scent. I feel like they could have did something really like warm and like sugary and vanilla, and I feel like that would have matched better. Yeah, I don't know if I would use this because the glitter is so crazy on my hands right now. However, I appreciate the concept. Okay, so let's take a look at the March pamphlet. Welcome to Wonderland. We have curated you to a moment of beauty magic with a touch of sparkle. The Estate Cosmetics eyeshadow palette is $14. The Merci Handy Whipped Cream Texture is a French brand, and it is $7, and it is available at Ulta. Sorry if the lighting is changing. The Farm RX is a full size. That moisturizer is $37. Model Co. Highlighting Shimmer Whip is $20. We got the full size, and the Luxie brush is $15. Now, this one was actually higher than February's box. It is $93 for everything, and I think this was actually a really cute box because we got the eyeshadow palette, the crazy glittery hand cream that like reminds you of my childhood, really nice full-size moisturizer, the highlighter, and the brush. So overall, I really love March's box even more than February's, although both are really good. I started recording the Boxycharm and then it like wasn't recording, so I'm gonna start this over. I already opened 2 items, but we'll just pretend like I didn't open them. I was saying that with Boxycharm, they just like throw the products in here, so it's definitely not as beautiful of a presentation as Glossybox, so that had to be mentioned. And of course, also, if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, there will be a link in my description box. Since I already opened it, the first thing that was in the box was the Korres Velvet Skin Drink in Santorini Grape, and it also has resveratrol and grapeseed oil. So I originally thought this was like a regular moisturizer, but it's actually this huge bottle of serum. And I love using serums at night when I'm doing like jade rolling or gua shaing. So I thought this was really cool. I haven't tried too many products out from Korres, so this is really exciting. And the next product that I opened up was the Persona lip liner, and I've never tried anything from Persona before. I know a lot of people like her eyeshadow palettes. So this is a lip liner in the shade 90210, and it looks like a really pretty like brown wine tone color. I will swatch, you guys can see. This is definitely a color I would use. Very pretty. Those were the only 2 items that I had opened before my camera really interrupted me. Next up, we have Frank Body. I have tried a couple things from them before from Boxycharm. This is the Brightening Vitamin C mask. I love the other mask I have from them. It's so nice. So this says it has cockadoo plum, okay, tackles pigmentation, and papaya enzyme dissolves dead skin. So it also has lots of different extracts: sugar maple extract, orange fruit, lemon fruit, pineapple, sweet almond oil, totally naturally derived. And it says it's a gentle resurfacing mask made from Australian fruit enzymes to gobble up dead skin, reveal softer, clearer skin. I'm curious to try this. I love these types of masks. Anything that will just like help kind of give me brighter complexion, I really am interested in. So this is cool. It's like a, oh, I like the packaging. It has like one of those air pumps. So that's fun. Next up, we have a, what is this? Ella Man Soft Touch Matte Lipstick Miami. I don't really know this brand, but I'll show you guys the color. It's interesting. It has a cool packaging to it. This isn't really a color I would wear. It's kind of like a rose tone. Pretty, but not really like my style. So I'll probably end up just putting this into a giveaway. This is our final item. That went so quick. Looks like, oh my goodness, you guys. What do you know? It is a Luxie kit. So it's a brush bag, I'm assuming. And then inside, just as I had said, I hadn't had anything from Luxy. Oh, this is cool. It's a 4-piece brush set. So we have a really nice eye shader. This one. We have the tapered blender. We also have the concealer brush and the eyeliner brush, which I did. Oh, this is perfect. I needed a new small eyeliner brush for gels. Let me show you guys. There we go. This is so cute. I love the handles. I love this like minty color. Minty. And then we also have, that was in there, is this cute little small baby blender, which is going to be so nice for blending out under eye concealer, you guys. That's so cute. I love these little baby blenders. I always forget about them though because they're so tiny. They get like lost really easily. So this is such a nice kit. So okay, back to the pamphlet. So it is called the Game Changer in honor of Women's History Month. So the Chorus Velvet Skin Drink Serum, Blurs Imperfection Smooth Texture. That sounds amazing. $48. The Persona Lip Liner is $14. The Luxy Florals Brush Set is, wow, $40. Frank Body Vitamin C Mask is $19.95. And the Element Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick, it says it's new to Boxy, and it is $18. My total retail value for everything in this box is $139.95. So Boxycharm definitely wins in terms of like high value, and that is because their box is a little bit more expensive every month than Glossy. But I do think we got really good stuff in here. I'm excited for the lip liner, the Chorus, the serum sounds amazing. I really like that Luxy brush set. The vitamin C mask I'm excited about, and the matte lipstick I'm like kind of on because I'm not going to use it. So 4 out of 5 ain't too bad. Let me know in the comments down below what box you guys like best out of all 3, and if you are interested in any of these boxes, let me know that too if you are still getting your beauty subscription boxes. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you guys, my Boxy number is C2203019-BA. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's triple beauty subscription box unboxing, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.